So in this tutorial, we're going to go over some regression analysis and how to plot a line of fit. So we're going to start off by importing Seaborn as SNS. And we can also import matplotlib, pyplot as plt. And next we're going to do from sklearn dot linear underscore model, we're going to import linear regression. And you can see how it is here. Now, lastly, we're going to import Statsmodels API as SM, and we can run that. Next, we're going to pull our built-in dataset with Seaborn. So we're going to do sns.load underscore dataset and iris. I've used some previous tutorials. I just like this dataset, quick, easy, and built-in. Now here we're going to do big X, and we're going to index iris, and we're going to do sepal length, and it already has it here. So we're going to do dot values because we need the values out of the data frame. And we're going to have to reshape it as that's how it takes it in with this specific code in Scikit-learn. Now that we have both these defined, we could define our model, and we're going to do linear regression, and it's here. And then we can just add parentheses to the end, and we can run that. Now, next, we can do model.fit, and we're going to do our big X, comma, Y. Now we can see we have our linear regression variable here. So next, we can come down, and we're going to do sns.scatterplot. And similar to R, as I say with Seaborn, it's easy to remember. We could do sepal underscore length. That's our initial variable. Our Y is going to be what our Y was. So petal underscore length. And at the end, we could define our data as iris. Now let's come down one more line, and we're going to do plt.plot iris sepal length. Then we're going to do model.predict, pass through X, and we'll set color to red. We'll title our plot linear regression, and we'll run plt.show. And then at the end, we're going to add model.score and pass through our big X and Y, and that's going to be our R squared. And now we have our linear regression plotted with our line of fit. Now to bring this even further, we can come down here one more time and redefine our X and Y. And this time we don't have to reshape it. So we're going to do sepal length, and our lowercase y is going to be petal length. Now we're going to use our stats model package. So we're going to redefine our X, and we're going to do sm.addConstantX. We can run this. And now we can come down here and we can redefine our model. So it's going to be Statsmodels ordinary least squares, and then yx.fit at the end with parentheses. And now we're going to print model.summary. So we can run this. And now we have all of our regression results.